Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to embed a YouTube playlist directly onto your Wix website. Whether you want to showcase your latest video series, curate helpful tutorials for your visitors, or just display your absolute favorite content, by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step understanding of how to make your playlist seamlessly playable right on your site. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor. Once you're inside your website dashboard, look for the Add Elements button. This is your gateway to all the different features you can place on your site. Now in the search box, type in Embed Code. This is a powerful tool that lets you insert custom code like the YouTube embed we'll be using. If you haven't worked with code before, don't worry. Wix makes this super approachable, so you're not expected to write anything, just copy and paste. All right, now let's grab your YouTube playlist. I'm sure if you have a YouTube channel, you've already got a playlist of videos you've created or curated that you'd love to share with visitors. If not, you can quickly make one by grouping your favorite videos together. Think of playlists as neat little containers that help organize related content and make it easy for your viewers to binge watch. Once you're looking at your playlist page on YouTube, you'll see a Share button. Give that a click and you should notice an Embed option appear. Instead of just copying the link, you want the code here. Clicking on the Embed option will present you with a snippet of code that lets you display an entire playlist in a video player format. Go ahead and copy all of that code. Don't worry if it looks a bit complicated or technical. It's just instructions for your site to show the playlist player. Now back over to your Wix Studio. Find the Enter Code section, or sometimes it just says Embed HTML depending on which Wix version you're using. Click into it, then paste that code you copied from YouTube right there in the box. Once you've pasted, hit Apply or Save to lock in your changes. Give yourself a moment here. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for Wix to process the embed. At this stage, you'll see an area pop up where your playlist player will appear. It might look small or not quite the right size, but don't worry, that's easy to fix. Simply use the handles on the corners to expand or shrink the player to fit the space you want on your web page. Want it front and center, big enough for everyone to see? Just drag it larger. Or tuck it in nicely as a sidebar feature, it's totally up to your style. Now hit preview to see how things actually look to your visitors. Don't skip this step, it's essential to spot any formatting weirdness or check that the player fits nicely on both desktop and mobile view. Test it out by clicking through the playlist within the player. You'll see navigation that lets your viewers select any video in the series, so it's really intuitive. And that's it, you've embedded a full YouTube playlist on your Wix site. Not only does this make your website dynamic, but it also encourages longer engagement as visitors explore the whole playlist you've chosen. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you run into any issues or you've got questions about playlists or Wix features, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow website and content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.